Morning, everybody. This is the Beauchene tug, the Russel brothers. It's all done up. It's in the it's on display at the Haileybury Museum. Looks like they did a really good job painting her up. Nice big tug. The hull number there, 963. You can see in the porthole there, I think there's just bunks up front. Looks like about a 36-inch prop. Looking down in the engine room. Matt will probably correct me, but I think that's a big Cummins and a twin disc transmission. Electrical panel. The starboard side shot of the engine there, it is a Cummins. Got a little galley. Little stove. Sherman stove. That's pretty cool. Looking towards the pilot house. Everything's locked up, but a nice Russel wheel there. A Russel Hipwell. You can see on the bow windows there in the pilot house there how they opened. Got the latches on top and the handle on the bottom. Pull open, give some air. There's the builder's plate. Company logo. 40 feet in length, built 1952. A nice big anchor. I think these things were like 450 pounds, or Russel Brothers Limited on it. Owen Sound. Got a pike pole. A really old life raft. That's pretty cool. 12-person buoyant. Imagine putting 12-person on that all folded out. Got another builder's tag on the stern here.